Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2025 Prevost RV is the pinnacle of engineering and elegance in the recreational vehicle market. These motorhomes, which offer unmatched comfort, elegance, and technological integration, are mobile estates rather than just means of transportation and are constructed on Prevost's sturdy and painstakingly designed bus chassis. With the newest developments in design, materials, and facilities, it is projected that the 2025 models will further raise this bar. A 2025 Prevost Motorhome strong and dependable diesel engine, usually a Volvo or Cummins, built for longevity and performance, is its cornerstone. Long-distance driving is made smooth and efficient by this strong powertrain, which can gracefully traverse a variety of terrains. Renowned for its longevity and ride quality, the chassis itself frequently has advanced air suspension systems installed, which offer a remarkably quiet and comfortable ride while shielding passengers from the road's flaws. A 2025 Prevost Motorhome's exterior design frequently combines style and utility. The bespoke coach builders who finish these vehicles frequently add streamlined lines, panoramic windows, and painstakingly designed paint schemes, even if the basic construction has a large and powerful presence. Power awnings, lots of outdoor storage spaces, and sophisticated lighting systems are examples of integrated features that blend in perfectly with the overall design. The 2025 Prevost Motorhome's interior is a haven of custom luxury. Usually, discerning clients work with interior designers to create distinctive layouts and employ the best materials. Anticipate luxurious leather upholstery, carefully selected stone or tile finishes, and exquisite cabinetry constructed from exotic woods. Living spaces are roomy and frequently have high-end music systems, entertainment systems with big, HD screens, and furnishings in the domestic style. These motorhomes frequently have gourmet kitchens with top-of-the-line amenities including full-sized refrigerators, convection ovens, and induction cooktops. The dining areas are well-furnished and offer cozy places to eat. The sleeping quarters are opulent havens that frequently have king-size mattresses, lots of closet space, and spa-like features like rainfall showers and premium fixtures. One distinguishing feature of the 2025 Prevost Motorhome is its technological integration. Anticipate sophisticated control systems that regulate entertainment, lighting, and climate, frequently accessed by integrated touchscreens or smart devices. Modern navigation systems with satellite connection options and strong Wi-Fi capabilities are essential for connectivity. Additionally, safety features are crucial, and sophisticated driver assistance systems are frequently included. The 2025 Prevost Motorhome is essentially a mobile masterpiece that has been painstakingly designed to provide an unmatched living and travel experience. It serves individuals who expect the highest level of comfort, performance, and refinement when traveling on the open road by combining strong engineering with custom luxury.